Class 3 children, today we are going to start your chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is addition. As you did addition already in class 1 and 2, so we repeat again. We will start in the notebook. You can write this in the notebook and we are writing here. So fill in the blanks. We will start. What is 15 plus 10? You know 15 plus 1 is 15 plus 10 is 25. Count in tens. So what is 40 plus 0? Any number plus 0 is the same number. What is 9 plus 41? 41 plus 9, after 41 you can count 9, or you can add 1 plus 9 is 10, 1 carry over, 4 plus 1 is 5. Anyway you can do. After 50 up to 90, if you want to add, count in tens. After 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 4 are there, 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. And same way 25 plus which number is 30? After 25, when you count up to 30, it will be 5. So now we will you can write in the notebook. Now we will start from the this one book side. So this is page number 31. First page. Solve keeping in the rules of addition in mind. 40 plus 13 is equal to 27. Rule of addition is here. 14 plus 13 is same as 13 plus 14. So the answer is here 27. Just like 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. Same way you can do 21 plus 0 is 21. Then 0 plus 33 is also 33. Any number plus 0 is the same number. So now add the following. Regroup if needed. So first one is 5 plus 5. You know 5 plus 5, 10. 10. This 0 will be here and 1 will go here in the regrouping side. Carry over. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. You did already in class 2 like this. 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 carry over. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11 here like this. 1's digit, 10 digit, 100 place is vacant here. But this in answer 100 place will be there 1. So this way you can do C and D part. Now there are 2 word problems in this page. We will do you can do these 2 word problems in the notebook like this. You have to make statement. So first question is, a large ship has 35 crew members and 561 passengers. Okay, how many people are there on the ship? So you have to write first line like this. Number of crew members is equal to 35. Number of passengers is equal to 561. When you are writing 561, 1 digit should come down to 1, 10 digit down to 10, and this 100 digit will go forward, okay, to the left side. Then you can add 5 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 6, 9, and 5 as it. So same way you can do the second part. 250 people saw the morning show of the movie, and 32 people more than that saw the evening show. Means in the evening more, 32 more are there. More are there means addition. How many people saw the evening show? You have to add it, okay? So people to see morning show is 250, and more people in the evening show is 32. Total people in the evening show you have to add yourself. You can pause the video and write this page in the notebook. Now we will go further for the exercise. So we will start exercise 2A. First question, A part is done already, but you can see 7 plus 6 is 13. Regroup the ones, okay? 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 carry over. 7 plus 1, 8 will come here, and 3 down as it. Same way here, 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 carry over. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 3 will be as it. It will come down as it. Okay. So same with next question is 8 plus 6 is 14. And 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. And this 4 will come down as it. So children, this D part also you can do in the book. And E, F, G, H, these parts you have to do in notebook. Whatever in all this question number 1, 2, 3, E, F, G, H, E, F, G, H you have to do in notebook, and other part spaces given you can do in the book. So regroup the tens means carry will come in tens place, not here. So you have to regroup here. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 will carry will go here. 3 plus 1, 4. So here 3 plus 2 5, and here 8 plus 8 16, 6 here, 1 will go here, 5 plus 1 6. So this way you can do all the parts. Here the regrouping was in tens place. Now next is mixed practice. Mixed practice means the carry can be in this line or in this line or in this line. First line you have to add. So 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 4 11, 1 here, carry over there, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7. So 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. So simply if we do one more part, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 1 carry over, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, and here 2 2 4 plus 5 9. So other parts you can do yourself. I'm telling again, these parts in the notebook and these E F G H of question 1 2 3 in the notebook. Now we'll go for the word problem. First word problem is Ashwin had 612 stamps. His friend Arun had 329 stamps. Okay, how many stamps they have together? Together means you have to add. Okay, and the statement you have to make like this. I will keep the page here. You can. This is also notebook work. You have to do in notebook word problems, and you can pause the video and see this page. Stamps with Ashwin. Ashwin has how many stamps? 612. And his friend Arun has 329. 329. Then total stamps with both, just add. 9 plus 2 is 11, 1, 1 1 2 plus 2 4, and 6 plus 3 is 9, 941. Simply next question is, Palbi sold 226 tickets for the school fete. Her sister Purbi sold 192 tickets more than her. More than her means sister sold more than Palbi. Okay, so Palbi tickets sold by Palbi is 226, but her sister Purbi did more work, so she sold more ticket, 192 more than her, 192. So we need to find the ticket sold by Purbi. Total tickets sold by Purbi, just add it. 8, 9 plus 2 11, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Now next question, Asif had some cells. He gave 46 to the brother. He now has 125 cells left with him. How many cells did he have before he gave anyone? In the beginning, how much he had? So cells given to the brother is 46, and the cells he left with him is 125. How much in the beginning? That you have to add yourself. This addition you have to do yourself. So this way you can complete this exercise 2A. 1 2 3 few parts in book and few parts in notebook, and this word problem surely in the notebook. Okay, let's go further. Now we'll start exercise 2B. Here also addition. Actually they have given 100 place, also 300. 3 1 2 3. These are the 100 place, 1 2 100 300, and these are the 10 places, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and one place is means this is 7 and 5 in one place, 200 and 1 tens and 8. Okay, but you can do directly. Models you can leave here, models only to understand, otherwise you know the addition. 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 carry over, 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9, and 3 plus 2 5. Like this you can do. And if you go for the second part, 4 plus 2 6, and 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry over there, 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 7. This way you can do C part also. So same thing is there downside. Question number 2, 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 carry over, 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 is 13, 5 plus 1 6. Same way we did like this. One more part I am doing for you. 9 plus 4 or 4 plus 9 is 13, 1 carry over, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry over, 2 time carry. Okay, 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6. So same way you can do this D part in the book and E F G H in the notebook. This is notebook work, and regrouping in hundreds, tens and ones if necessary. One part I will do here. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1. 4 plus 1 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is 10 34. And here 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 2 9, and 8 plus 4 is 12. No carry in this place, no in this place, and here directly 12. So this way you can do CD part and EFGH part in notebook. So now mixed problem is there, three lines are there. So you can add first two number. 7 plus 2 9. 9, keep 9 in your mind, then add 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1. 1 plus 1 2. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 5 15. 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. One more part I am doing here. 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 3 18. 1. 2 plus 1 3. 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 6 again 18. 1. 4 plus 1 5. 6. 6 plus 3 9. So this way you can do CD part in the book and other parts in the notebook. Now exercise 2C, actually find the sum. This is very easy. 4-digit number is there, but there is no carry in all these parts. You can see 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 0 9, 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 2 5. So here also you can do 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 1 9, 3 plus 1 4, 6 plus 1 7. 4-digit number, but there is no carry, so it's very easy. You can do C part here and in the book, and this all parts in the notebook. Question number 2, all part in notebook. Very easy it is actually. 6,000 plus 1,000 7,000. If you write in columns like this, you have to write like this in column and add in the notebook. So we'll come to exercise 2D. Add down. Check the answer by adding up. They are saying add first one time downside, then add upside. Just add 2 plus 6 like this. You have to add 8. 3 plus 2 5. 4 plus 2 6. Then add up. Up means 2 plus 4 6. 2 plus 3 5. 6 plus 2 8. Same way. 2 plus 7 9. And upside 7 plus 2 is also 9. 5 plus 4 9. And 4 plus 5 is also 9. 1 plus 3 4. 3 plus 1, same answer will come, only to check up and downs. So do not add. Question number 2, they are asking that do not add, use your understanding of the numbers to answer. You have to use your understanding only to answer these all. So first part is there are few numbers, 239, 186, 439, 714 is it the last. So first question is, which two numbers will give a 4-digit answered sum? So 4-digit answer sum means if you add, see 400 something is there, 700 something, you can think 4 plus 7 is 11. Definitely it give 4-digit number 1100 something. So you can write here 439 and 714. Next is, which two numbers when added will give you a 0 if one place. Okay, 0 in one place you need. So you see the one place, 9 is there, 6 is there, 9 is there, 4 is there in the last. You think like this, 6 plus 4 is 10. So if you add these two numbers, then 0 will be definitely in the one place. So the numbers are 186 and 714. 186 and 714. Which two numbers have a difference of 200? 200 difference is 239 and 439. 239 and 439. Last one, which two numbers have the sum 678? You can see, choose from these four which can have 678. It is 239 and 439. You can add sidewise, then you can get the answer. Or you can think like this, 9 plus 9 is 18. So 8 is coming in the last. Okay, so these two can be the numbers. Now children, we will go to the page number 43. So in this page actually the problems are word problems type of the questions, but you can do in the book only. So the problems given below can all be solved using addition. Underline the facts. You need to find the answer and then solve. Okay, some extra numbers are there that you have to see which number we have to use to find the answer. Just like first question is, Preeti made 9 bead bracelets. She used 98 beads to make the smaller bracelet and 176 beads to make the larger one. Okay, how many beads did she use in all? In all means addition. Beads, you have to find total beads. So 9 bead bracelet this is making, so this information is not used in the question. So you need to find the total beads. So number of this one 98 beads smaller, and for the big larger one 176. You can add sidewise 98 plus 176. So 8 plus 6 is 14, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, and 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 2. And here you have to write like this: total beads in all. What is the total here? 274. So same base for the second question. There is extra numbers in the information. You have to see in this question which number to use to be add. Aditi is learning sign language in a special school. She learned 78 signs in the first 2 months. She learned 112 signs in the next 3 months. So 2 month, 3 month has no work here in the addition. How many signs did she learn in all? Or in all means add. How many signs? 78 plus 112. So you can do this side: 78 plus 112, 10. Here it is 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Here it is 90. Total sign learned in all is 190. 190. Same way, third question is: the school canteen sold 126 sandwiches and 48 juice cans on the first day of the school. The same canteen sold 102 sandwiches and 38 juice cans on the second day of the school. How many juice cans were sold in all? In all and juice can. So no work for sandwich is not asked. So leave sandwich numbers. So you add only 48 plus 38, 8 plus 8, 16, 1, and 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3 is 8, 86. Total juice can sold is equal to 86. So next is: Arjun can spell 142 more words than his younger sister. His younger sister can spell 136 words, of which 45 are 3-letter words. 3-letter words has no work here. Okay, how many words can Arjun spell in all? Arjun can, how many he can? So 3 words, that is not asked. So 142 plus 136. So you can add here yourself and then write the answer here: total words Arjun spell in all. Now we will go to the, so you can do it like this. So now the next is chapter checkup. Before chapter checkup also there is one page. Let's see this page also. So this is not to solve, only you have to tick here whether the answer is correct or not. 50 bottles of juice were ordered for a party. 3 bottles were not used. How many people came to the party if each person drank the 1 bottle? How many person will be there? 50 bottles are there. 3 are not used. So 50 minus 3 is 47, and they have also given answer as 47. So you have to tick. If your answer is correct, tick it. If it is not correct, then cross it. That's all. So next is: Kabir spends 14 hours a week doing homework. 8 hours are spent on maths. How many are spent on other subject? 14 hours total he is spending. For math he is giving 8 hours. So for other subject it is 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. But the answer is given 22. So the answer is wrong. Cross it. So next is: 65 parent tickets and 98 student tickets were sold for the school annual day. How many tickets were sold in all? In all means addition. 65 plus 98. If you add, it is 8 plus 5, 13. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 1 is 16, 163. That is correct answer. Tick it. The same way you have to do next 4 and 5 yourself. Try to do yourself this 4 and 5. Now come to your chapter checkup. Last page we will do. So this is simple addition. This is question number 1 and 2 totally I am giving you. We did already these type of questions. And if you want one part, then I can give even. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 carry over. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 3 is 8. Like this question it is. So here the addition, they are making arrow upside, means you add downside and upside also. 9 plus 5 is 14, 1 carry over, 4 plus 6 is 10, 1 carry over, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 4 is 13, and when you add upside 5 plus 4, 5 plus 9 is 14, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 4 plus 8, 12 plus 1, 11, 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 carry over, that will be written as it. Now word problem, again this word problem you have to do in notebook. So first question is, this is notebook, I am writing here. I will share this page to you. You can pause the video and see here. First question is, a yoga class had 25 students at the beginning of the month. 76 more students joined later. First 25 students are there, students in yoga class 25. More students joined 76. They are saying how many students are there in yoga class now. Total students now is, you have to add 6 plus 5 is 11, 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, 101. Same way, next is Anirudh took 2 boxes of sweets to distribute in class. 2 boxes taken by Anirudh. He gave away 56 sweets. Sweets distributed in the class 56. For Anirudh you can write. Still how many sweets are left? There were 28 sweets still left with him. Sweets left with him 28. So how many sweets he has brought in the class taken? So total sweets taken to the class, just add 8 plus 6 is 14, 1, and 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8. Now next is, Azim has a collection of 78 bookmarks. Saji has 15 more bookmarks. So bookmarks with Azim 78. More bookmarks with Saji 15. So how many bookmarks Saji has? Saji has more than him. So you have to add. Do this question yourself. And medals won by Red House is 43. Next question, Red House won 43 medals and Blue House won 38 medals. Now they are asking you that write an addition word problem using the information. They have not asked anything in the question. So you need to complete the question by writing further in the book. How much medals won by both houses. So you have to write medals won by Red House is equal to 43. Medals won by Blue House is equal to 38. Total medals won by both. So these two parts you have to do yourself in the notebook. So these all question number 3, 4 parts in the notebook for chapter checkup. Now we will go to the last page. So you can pause the video and you can write these questions. So children, now we are here like this, keeping in touch or try this is given in between the pages, that also you can do yourself. So now this page is actually given page number 46. Now they have written some letters here, alphabets. So you have to write downside the alphabets according to their answer. Just like 9 plus 4 is 13, 2 plus 7 is 9 plus 9 plus 1 is 0, 10. Then here 1, 8. This is 12, 1, 2, 0, 3. So letter for this one, alphabet for this one is W. So you have to find answer downside where it is. Where is 1, 2, 0, 3? It is here. So write W on it. So next is 8 plus 3 is 11, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, 871. So you need to find where is 817. I think it is here. So here the letter for the second answer is A. Write A here. So this B you have to do all the addition and write their answer according to answer. You have to write their letters. Okay. Then you have some sentence here. So that this you can do. So this is like in the book your homework. You can do in the book yourself. Now same way the last question, mental maths is given. So they have given like 8 plus 9. What is 8 plus 9? 17. Okay. So they are saying to use this method. Actually 8 plus instead of 9 you add 10. 8 plus 10 is 18. What 8 is 9 means 1 less. So you can decrease 1. So it becomes 17. 16 plus 10 is 26. But it is 9 here. So less 1. 25. So 10, actually what is 10? 10 is 9 plus 1. Okay, and if you, instead of 9, if you add 10, no, then subtract 1 in the answer. 6 plus 10 is 16, and 1 you can subtract, the answer will be 15. 14 plus 10 is 24, subtract 1, then it becomes 23. This way you can practice this all. So same way you have to do, this is easy practice. 6 plus 3, you add 6 plus 3 is 9, and 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 6 is 11, and 0 you can write as it, and fill in the blank. 7000 plus 6, 7006. So I think you can do all these parts. Page number 46 and 47 you have to complete in the book. This way your chapter 2 is over. Practice addition, especially for carry 1. And carry 1, you try to practice the numbers like 3 lines, vertical 3 columns are there, or you can write many more questions yourself also, and I will share some worksheets also. So okay, thank you. This is all about chapter 2.